Trade deals should never be done in a hurry, and trade deals should not be looked at only as tools of diplomacy. Trade should stand on its own legs. Diplomacy and other strategic relations should stand on their own legs. Because when we sign a trade deal, we are actually signing on something which will impact our children and our grandchildren. What we are signing will impact the country for decades and years to come. And more often than not, you cannot back out of what you have agreed once. Therefore, this government is very, very cautious in its approach to trade deals. This government wants to ensure there's reciprocity in trade deals. We want to ensure that trade deals result in jobs, result in investments, result in opportunities for our MSME sector, our farmers, our milk producers and dairy. And therefore, we go about it very, very cautiously. We had extensive discussions with the US. I think on more than one occasion, we were almost on the cusp on agreeing on a much diluted but an initial package. But unfortunately, the goalpost got changed a couple of times. And each one of those times, India decided that we will stick to our guns. If the goalpost changes on one end, then it so changes on our end also. And we didn't come to terms. I'm glad to share with you that only, I think yesterday, I had my first engagement with my counterpart in the US, Miss Catherine Tai. She's a very distinguished person who probably for the first time has got selected by the Senate with a 98-0 vote. So total bipartisan support. So her approach to trade seems to have resonated with the people of the US in a very positive fashion. And we hit it off extremely well yesterday in our very first engagement. And we are looking forward to quickly ramp up our discussions. Of course, the US new administration has broadly announced that they are not looking at free trade agreements in the near future. Probably they are also looking at the way India looks at it, that doing these things in a hurry is not always advisable. Having said that, we are looking at expanding our trade ties through removal of non-trade barriers, through better mutual recognition agreements, through other means to expand both the trade in goods and services. We have an ambitious target ahead of us. And I'm confident, given our competitive advantage or our advantage on, particularly on the IT side, on the digital services side, both tracks, goods and services, will see tremendous growth in the months and years to come.